Today we have to see the second type, trigonometric function. Our particular integral value will come trigonometric. After that, yesterday class I completed exponential distribution. For that exponential distribution, I mentioned many conditions. What's that? D equal to A, denominator definitely not equal to 0. Suppose I substitute D equal to A, denominator is 0 means one time I differentiate, one time I add x in numerator. Okay.
It becomes infinity, ma'am.
That's why I differentiate the denominator one time. I add x in numerator. That is one condition. After that time also again you got denominator is 0. Your f dash of A also equal to 0 means one more time you have to differentiate. You add one more x in numerator means it will come x squared. So what is your idea means exponential means definitely denominator value not equal to 0. Otherwise, I differentiate, I add x. I differentiate, I add x. Still not equal to 0. I have to apply the same procedure. Okay. So today just I explained the second concept. What that means here we have to take second type for particular integral general formula is 1 by f of d. Every time I write this formula, particular integral means this is the formula. This is the capital X. Capital X means it's a function of X. It may be algebraic, it may be exponential, trigonometric, like that logarithmic, many functions available. Like that this X may be any function. Today I will go to the type 2 concept. What is type 2 means? In this type 2, some interesting concepts are there. In the type 2, trigonometric functions will come. For trigonometric functions, we have to see. So trigonometric function means you don't imagine tan, secant, cosecant, not like that. Only sine or cos only. Okay. That function only will come. Here I have to write x equal to cos ax. It may be cos ax or it may be sine ax. That's all. These two only. Okay. After that, so now I'm moving second type 2 for particular integral only. I'm talking about this. For particular integral type 2 trigonometric functions or x equal to cos ax or sine ax. So here, first concept, I substitute. What I have to substitute? Here I substitute d squared value. D squared equal to minus a squared. I substitute this condition. If I substitute this condition, denominator value not equal to 0, I accept that is the answer. Okay. Denominator value not equal to 0 means that is the answer. You know very well. Denominator 0 means it will become infinity. That's why what we are doing is denominator value definitely not equal to 0. After that,
Then I am unable to define the differentiation for every question.
No,
Right,
no. No, this is second type. No, this is this place has some different things are there. Suppose denominator now equal to 0. What I have to do means I have to take conjugate, because if I substitute here, see this minus is separate. This minus is separate. This a squared is separate. Don't confuse yourself. Definitely the a value may be positive or negative, but our final answer should be negative only. Okay. So this place d squared equal to minus a squared. So you write minus, give some space, later you write a squared. Many students making mistake in that place only. So d squared equal to minus a squared. So separately you have to write. That time denominator not equal to 0 means not a problem. Students, write in these things in your note now, because this thing are all important. Now I am taking type 2, particular integral type 2. Okay. So this place what I am telling now.
Denominator equals to 0.
Yeah, denominator equal to 0. So here I will come next concept, denominator. Denominator equal to 0. I will write like that. Shortly I write, okay. dr means denominator, you imagine. So dr equal to 0. Dr, when d squared equal to minus a square, I am substituting. That time my denominator value will become 0. So what I have to do? What I have to do means I have to take conjugate. Because I substitute d squared equal to minus a squared means what will happen? I have to take conjugate. If I take conjugate, again I substitute d squared equal to minus a squared. So here listen, what is the value of b? Anyone tell me? B is what? Starting class onwards, I am telling this one only. D equal to?
D equal to ma'am AI.
Yeah. D by dx. See, d
Yes,
squared
ma'am. Yes.
d by dx. Clearly I mentioned, whatever you are reading, some basic concepts in your mind, you have to keep these ideas and all you have to keep. Suppose you have to write GATE exam or any other exam means they ask these questions and all. Okay, that time it's very useful. So listen properly. Any doubt means ask. Now, what are the things I mentioned? First case, second case I mentioned. For second order or third order, suppose d cube is there. What you have to do? Tell me. Condition is not changed. I can't change the condition. D squared equal to minus a squared only. How can I apply the value for d cube? Anyone give the idea? How to split like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus a cube will
D by ds square
Minus
x.
a square into a.
No, I don't want minus a squared and all. Just I split like this. D into d squared, okay? This is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So for this d
Yes, ma'am.
squared, this d squared, I have to substitute the value. This d squared substitute the value means d will come. Something 2d plus 3 like that it will come. And if I solve the problem, you understand that thing. Just I give the idea here. D cube means d into d squared. For that d squared, we have to substitute the condition. That is the main thing. Later, what we have to do? D squared equal to minus a squared, d equal to d by dx. Okay, we have to take conjugate idea. That concept only you keep in mind. Conjugate idea, again we
Ma'am,
substitute.
ma'am, what did become d is equal to d by dx? I don't know, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm asking what is d. That's why they are telling. Here, no need that one. For this type, denominator 0 means I take conjugate, again I substitute d squared equal to minus a squared. So here you write again, take conjugate, again you substitute d squared equal to minus a squared. Okay, this concept over. Now I give two formulas. These two things completed or not? Tell me. Take your note, note it down. Students, everyone participate that essay competition. For first year, I am the in charge. Okay, they asking how many students registered, and everything they ask to me. Okay, to inform your friends, participate that one. How many of them registered? Tell me something.
me, sir. Me, ma'am, Navin Kumar.
Ma'am, hello, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, what is the benefit of this event, ma'am?
Why you are asking like this? It's your opinion, your own creative ideas, everything we are considered. No, you have to write your
Hello,
essays
ma'am.
and tell me.
Hello. I already some registered, ma'am.
You registered, you prepare the essay and upload in Google Classroom. You write in paper, like that you do, and submit that one.
Okay.
They have to read line by line. Your idea is perfectness, you may get prize. But everyone submitting means you will get participation certificate. This thing and all extracurricular activities only. Okay, you choose your topic, you choose. They are giving many headings now, 3 to 4 headings they are providing. For the 3 to 4 heading, anyone you choose, write your own ideas, you submit. Okay, students, I continue again. This thing completed or not?
Ma'am, second
Completed,
condition I
ma'am.
not understand, ma'am.
Second, again I explain. Now you write this thing. See, now
Okay.
I'm not telling the problem. Just I tell how to solve the things. Okay. Completed. Next, I give one formula. That's why I'm asking.
Ma'am, completed.
Third thing is see, this is one straight formula. Denominator equals to 0. Denominator equals to 0, but our function looking like this. Here 1 by b square plus a square.
Yes, ma'am. I'm understand, ma'am.
Till now, I am not explaining the problem. Just I am telling the formula. No one understand. I know very well. Why I am telling this one means suddenly in that place I tell these things, and how can you know? That's why first I explain this. Again I go to problem. Again I explain this. Okay. Students, write this formula. Any question coming like this, you have to do this thing. 1 by b square plus a square cos ax. If I consider b square equal to minus a square means it will come like that, no? So this is the formula. First formula is this one. After second formula. B square plus a square. That's why I didn't upload today. I upload everything. Okay. Sin ax equal to
X by 2a minus cos x.
I put minus here. Okay. X by 2a. That's all. Completed. These two formulas completed or not?
Yes, yes.
Not completed, ma'am.
Complete now.
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me.
Can we draft this formula, ma'am?
Yeah, yes, you have to write in your note. Derive you are asking, huh?
Actually, I'm writing on the notebook, but I want to know the can we draft the formula, ma'am, from this sin ax to minus x by 2a into cos ax. Can we find this?
Bro, it is a formula and then it is integrated. Okay, then it's found.
See, I tell you, but this one, we have to write x by 2 always commonly. I put integration of cos ax. That time what will happen? Sin ax by a will come. So I write like that. Derivation part of not in your syllabus, just application oriented. This side, left hand side available means right hand side you apply it. Enough. This formula you just study and apply it. Completed, students? Completed or not? One more time I repeat this.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
for type 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Particular
Completed,
integral
ma'am.
equals to 1 by f of d into x. Here trigonometric functions are there. So I take cos ax or sin ax only. Any other multiplication not available. Here condition is minus. You have to give importance to that minus separately. A square. Denominator not equal to 0 means that is my answer. Suppose denominator equal to 0, I take conjugate, again I substitute d squared equal to minus a square. For a higher order, I am telling this one. Next, denominator 0. The f of d looking like this, d squared plus a squared cos ax. That time, I applied this formula. Now, I move to problem. One more time, I will explain this. For this question, I will take this question. Read the question.
Find the
Particular,
Pantene.
particular integral. Read the question.
Find the
Find the particular integral of d square plus 16y is equal to cos 4x.
Okay. See, we are getting d squared. They give d squared plus 16 into y equal to cos 4x. Okay. So what is my condition? D squared equal to minus a squared. Okay, this is my condition. What is a value?
4, ma'am.
4. So a value 4 means I write minus here. 4 squared is 16. So my d squared value is minus 16. If I substitute, what will happen? If I substitute, what will happen? If I substitute, what will happen? Tell me. Denominator will
Denominator becomes 0.
Okay. So you straightly write the formula. What is our formula? These steps and all no need to write. Straightly you write formula. You know.
Yes, ma'am. Is x by 8. X by 8 sine 4x.
X by 8 sine 4x. Okay. So what we have to do means d squared equal to minus a squared. I tell you how to find a and all. So this place we are taking. What's that? Cos 4x is there. So d squared equal to minus 4x. Straightly I write the formula only. They are giving another pattern. Thing and all no need. Straightly you write the formula. Here I am telling now. Cos 4x means x by 2a. My 2a value is 4. So x by 8 sine 4x. That is the answer. You write that much enough. So here finally what I have to write? X by 8. This is cos 4x. They are writing wrongly here. This is mistake. See, how can they take again cos 4x? This is wrong. You have to write x by 8 sine
4x.
This is the answer. Do you understand, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, we move to another problem.
No, ma'am.
What? No.
No, ma'am. Repeat again. One more.
Okay, I repeat again. Somebody telling no. You read this formula very well. Now I move to the concept. That time now I have to explain. Question is d squared plus 4 plus 16, I think 16 into y equal to cos 4x. They are asking particular integral. So particular integral means what I have to do? Here I write particular integral equal to 1 by d squared plus 16 into cos 4x. So I write like this. Later, my condition is d squared equal to minus a squared. My a value is 4. So here minus a squared means it will come minus 16. If I substitute minus 16, my denominator will become 0. Denominator 0, it is look like which format? It is look like this format. So what is the formula? Somebody telling no, not understanding, read the right hand side. What's the formula here?
X by 2 sine x.
X by 2.
So x by 2a. What is 2a value is 4. So x by 8 sine 4x. This is the answer. Now you understand what I am doing. I don't know the procedure, but step by step I know the condition. First I find out the particular integral formula. First I write. After this is trigonometric. So second type. The condition is d squared is minus a squared. So d squared is minus a squared means that time what I have to do? I substitute that one. I check every time. I check denominator value 0 or not equal to 0. That thing I have to calculate. So denominator 0. Denominator 0 means one is taking conjugate. Here conjugate and are not possible. That's why what the another case I have chosen. For that place x by 2a sin ax. So that is the answer. Students, any doubt? Tell me one more time also, I will explain. Somebody asking no, now understanding or not?
Yes, I'm understanding.
Now yourself you solve this question, 8th question you solve and tell the answer. I don't write, I don't solve, I need answer for this question.
X minus x cos x answer.
X minus x cos x. Correctly did it.
Yes,
So-
ma'am. Minus x cos x.
Wait. Particular integral I have to write. For the particular integral means 1 by b squared plus 1 sin x I write. What is a value here?
A value is a.
1. 1.
What is the condition?
Condition is ds square. ds square is equal to minus 1 chi square. Matlab means formula of ds square is equal to minus a square.
Okay. Next, what I have to do? In this place, I substitute. I apply the formula. I apply the formula means here I have to write x by 2a. 2a is 1. After minus will come here cos x. So minus x by 2 cos x. Students, it's clear? Any doubt?
No, ma'am, no doubts.
Okay. Next, I move to another thing. Okay, the conjugate pattern one question I will tell you. Because now you know. Till now I'm taking second order only. I didn't go to the third order. Our next problem straightly based on the third order only. See this question. Anyone read this problem?
Solve the equation d2 plus 2d square plus d into y is equal to e power 2x plus sin x.
Manigandan? Manigandan is there? Nagendra Kumar? Mukesh? Neeraj? Pavitra? Yeah. Nearly 5 names I saw no one reply. Satish? Satyapriyan? Anybody is there or not? Everyone is not attending my class. Some students
Yes,
We are attending, ma'am.
We are
yes, ma'am.
Here, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Mukesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Mukesh is Neeraj. Who is talking now? Mukesh or Neeraj?
Yes, ma'am.
ब्रिजेश भाई अपना माइक बंद करो ना.
Mukesh Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Mukesh is coming now. Tell the auxiliary equation of this equation. Tell the auxiliary equation. For auxiliary equation, I substitute D equal to
Can I see, ma'am?
D equal to M.
students be active in max class. If you are doing like that and all, how can I take class? See,
D is equal to M, ma'am.
D equal to M. Tell the auxiliary equation.
M cube plus 2m square plus m into y is equal to
M into
e
Y.
power 2x.
Wait. M into Y you are telling. Here finally what I have to write? M equal to 0. Y I can't write. I take commonly M. That time it will come M squared plus 2M plus 1. So next I have to factorize that thing. If I factorize, m plus 1, because third order and all I didn't solve, that's why I just solved this one. M plus 1, M plus 1. So how many roots are there? One is 0.
3, ma'am.
Another one is minus 1. Another one is minus 1. How can I write complementary?
ma'am.
How can I write complementary function? Tell me the complementary function.
A. 1 second, ma'am.
Tell the complementary function I'm asking.
Because my roots are same approximately, but
See, two roots are same. One root only different. These two are same. That are 0 only different. So you know very well. Different first. Any manner you write. What they are writing? A e power 0x. Do you see here now?
yes, ma'am.
A e power. I'm highlighting now that thing. Just you see. What's that? A e power 0x bx plus c e power minus x. I can write like this. Otherwise, I can write like this pattern also. I can write complementary function equal to. It's our choice. You choose anything is a. You choose any root in first or last. That's our choice. I can write ax plus b e power minus x plus c into e power 0x. This is also correct. This is also correct. It's your choice. You can write in any manner. Any other doubt here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now you know how to write auxiliary equation, how to find the roots. Now I move to the third order equation. In your syllabus, second and third order equations we have to calculate. So for this place, what we have to do is we have to complete a complementary function. After that, just I write. Next, I move to the right hand side. Right hand side, how many functions are there?
2, ma'am.
2, ma'am.
What is the first function?
E power 2x.
2x plus sin x.
E to power x.
So e to the power x sin x. First one is exponential. Second one is
Trigonometric function.
Trigonometric function.
What is the first one condition? Here, what is the condition I apply? D
Ma'am,
equals
q is equal to q by d.
A. Got q by d. D equal to A. Here, sin x, which condition I will apply?
A is equal to 2.
D square minus a d square is equal to minus a square.
So in your mind, you have to keep these ideas under. That thing only I mentioned. Okay. See now. First, I go to this place. In particular integral, totally 2 functions available. So I split particular integral 1 and particular integral 2. Just I tell you particular integral 2. Next, what they are doing? 1 by d cube plus 2d squared plus d. So they substitute everything for d equal to a. My denominator is not equal to 0. So we are safe. 1 by 18 e power 2x. This is our final answer. Denominator 0 means we add x, we differentiate one time. Another time, till denominator not equal to 0, I apply that procedure. But in this place, the procedure no need. Just we have to write 1 by 18 e power 2x. Like that only we have to do. Okay. Any doubt? First type over. Now I go to this second type. For the second type, what we are doing means 1 by. Students understand or not?
Yeah, ma'am, understood.
Yes, ma'am, understand.
No, ma'am.
No means exponential function. Last class explained. What's your doubt? Tell me. I clarify your doubt. Which place you are having doubt? Tell me. Particular integral 1. I am writing this. What's your doubt? Somebody telling no. If you are telling doubt only, I have to explain that thing. D square D equal to A. That is the condition. So e power 2x I substitute 2. So 18 will come. So that part over. Somebody telling no, what's your doubt? Now clarified or not? I am not doing any other thing. I just apply the condition. That is exponential. Immediately my condition is D equal to A. Can you proceed next thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Doubt means ask, I tell that one. Any doubt in this particular integral? Don't tell simply no. In this step here I am having doubt. Like that you have to ask. Because you know every time I am telling the same procedure. Somebody asking now? Do you clarify? You understand now? Tell me. Somebody asking doubt. I explain one more
Yes.
time. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, I move to this place. Particular integral 2. Here sin x available. For this sin x, what I have to do means, my condition is b squared equal to minus a squared. What is a value? Here, freshly again I take
1,
a.
ma'am. 1, 1.
So minus 1 I have to write like this. Okay. Correct or not? Minus 1 I write like this. Next, I substitute that one. Our work is very simple. What happened? Everything cancelled. Finally, I got minus 2. What is my condition? My denominator not equal to 0 means our work is over. What they are doing, just you check it. Here d cube is there. For the d cube place, they are splitting.
D into D square.
Wait. So, d cube place, they are writing d into d squared. Now I know my d squared value is minus 1. Okay. Here I substitute like that. Here straightly d squared is there, not a problem. Later what I have to do? Just I substitute here minus 1 square, minus 1 square. So here minus d is coming, here also minus d is coming. Finally, I cancel this d and this d. Okay. If I cancel that one, next remaining is what? Minus 2 available. That is not equal to 0. Denominator not equal to 0. So this is my answer. Any doubts, students?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next we move another thing. See this problem. I don't tell one more time on the synthetic division method. You see today I will upload this notes. Here I got a minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Tell me, all the roots are real?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. All
Real and equal.
Equal or different?
Equal, ma'am.
What is a complementary function? What is a complementary function? Okay, I'm asking you what is a complementary function. I'm showing the answer, but you are not telling me what can I do. Tell the complementary function.
Ax square plus bx plus c into e to the power mx.
What is our m?
Minus
M
1.
Minus 1.
That's all okay. Now I come to this place. My complete integral part over. Complete complementary function over. What is our right hand side? You see? What is our right hand side? Anyone read? Right hand side, which one available? Read that one.
Pi plus cos
Pi-
2x.
I plus cos 2x.
plus 2x.
Till now we are talking about exponential trigonometric, but what is this 5? That is one constant. Constant is there, means what I have to do is, I have to write 5 e power 0x, I imagine. Okay.
I e to the power 0x.
Yes, ma'am.
What is e to the power is nothing like that, 1. But I
1.
include e power 0x because I know exponential function. I know exponential function condition. What are the things we know? That thing only we have to apply. Remaining under we can't apply here. So just this is one idea. Today I mentioned that 5 any constant available means immediately you add e power 0x. Okay.
E to the power 0x.
E to the power 0x. E to the power 0x value is
1, ma'am.
1. E to the power 0x value is 1. Okay. The next thing I move now. They are calculating complementary function of particular integral. See, they're taking it to the power 0x. They substitute 0. Finally, they got 5. Okay, not a problem. Next, they are moving this place. Anyone read this particular integral? Any doubt in this complementary function, particular integral first case? I
No,
highlight
ma'am.
in that step. Any
No,
doubt?
ma'am.
No. Okay.
It
Next,
is same.
it is same. Now, I'm highlighting this thing. For that place, I have to explain that thing. What means here I substitute d squared equal to minus 4. So I split this d cube. Which manner? D into d squared. Okay. So here that minus 4. Here that minus 4. D and all we are not having the value. So minus 4d. This one will become minus 12. Finally, I got minus d minus 11. D is there. So my denominator, some function will be there. So what I have to do? I take conjugate because d and are not available in denominator. How can I take conjugate? Minus d
Rationalization of denominator.
minus d minus 11 is there. So you change that minus d plus 11 minus d plus 11. This is the conjugate concept. Any doubt, students, in this step?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
We are taking
No, ma'am.
conjugate. We are taking conjugate. We are taking conjugate. Minus d plus 11 here will come. Here minus d whole squared minus 11 squared. Minus d whole squared is d squared 121. What is d squared value? D squared value will become minus 4. Okay. What about d? D is what? D is what? In numerator d available. Now what I have to do? Okay. See, I will tell you here. This is simple concept only. See, d is d by dx. So I mentioned like that d equal to d by dx means here no problem. I write a minus 4. In numerator, I multiply this one and this one. So minus d plus cos x. You see this step. Minus d cos 2x plus 11 cos 2x. In denominator, I got minus 125. That's not a problem. D means d by dx. D by dx only for this term only. Okay. Differentiation of cos 2x is what? Differentiation of cos
Minus
2x.
sin x.
Minus sign.
Minus sin x.
So already minus is
Ma'am, minus 2 sin 2x.
minus 2 sin 2x.
Yes,
Very good.
ma'am.
The 2x also we have to differentiate. The next term I don't differentiate. That place d not available. So next I write 11 plus cos 2x. Okay. So finally in denominator I mentioned minus 125. So if I simplify this, I got this answer. Students, any doubt? How can I
No,
take
ma'am.
conjugate? How can I do that thing and all everything I explained here?
Both
I will record this session. What are the recordings are there? I will upload in Google Classroom. One more time, if you want to listen also, you listen. Okay. Any place, suppose you are having doubt, I have to send the recording URL. You open that link. Again, the same thing we are discussing. No, you hear the same thing there. Okay, students, now, and finally, I have to write my particular integral 1 and 2. I have to write like that. Complementary function value. Finally, complete solution I have to write. That's it. So this is our second type. I explained second order as well as third order. Now I give one work to you. Solve this question. D squared plus 2d plus 1 into y e power minus x plus 3. What is the answer? Find out now.
Ma'am, pi number of pi is 2. E to power minus x plus 3 into e to power 0x.
Very good. Okay. You have to solve and find the particular integral alone. I need answer for that. Write the question now.
Yes, ma'am. It is same.
Vaishnavi,
Yes, ma'am.
take that snapshot.
Okay, ma'am.
Every class you do, I don't tell. Today I stop that one. Every class you take and send.
Okay, ma'am.
What about the Divyang? Only yesterday I mentioned, Divyang.
Okay, ma'am. I'll send you, ma'am.
Okay. I take some snapshot. You do this one because today you learn many things. Second type completely, what are the things I mentioned. Because I start again one more thing means it's difficult to you. Solve this question enough. Just one question revision. That's all. You written that question now. I have to take some snapshots, so just I go to another place. Today I will upload some multiple choice question also. We just try it because 2 types over, no. Students completed that question.